Navigating Unwanted Account Deductions, a step-by-step guide.
Hello there. Welcome to today's informative session. Have you ever seen an incorrect or unauthorized deduction in your bank account due to a pending transaction? It can be quite an unnerving experience, but we're here to help. Today, we'll be discussing how to address this issue in an effective way.
What's the first thing I should do?
When you notice an incorrect or unauthorized deduction, don't panic. It's important to remain calm and approach this issue methodically. The first thing you should do is confirm the nature of the transaction. Revisit your receipts, emails, and transaction history to make sure you didn't authorize the transaction unknowingly.
How do I contact my bank or card issuer?
Once you have confirmed that the transaction was indeed incorrect or unauthorized, it's time to get in touch with your bank or card issuer. You can usually find their customer service number on the back of your debit or credit card. Document the details of the unauthorized transaction, such as the amount, date, and recipient, beforehand to provide precise information to the customer service representative.
What information should I provide to my bank?
It's essential to provide all the relevant details to your bank. This may include your full name, account number, the date and amount of the unauthorized transaction, and any other relevant details about the transaction. Remember, the more information you can provide, the easier it will be for them to help you. Keep a record of your communication with your bank, including the date and time of contact, the representative's name, and the content of the conversation.
What if the bank doesn't resolve my issue?
In some rare cases, the bank might not be able to resolve the issue immediately or to your satisfaction. In such cases, you may need to file a formal written dispute with your bank. Always remember to keep a copy of your written dispute for your records. In extreme cases, you may need to contact a legal advisor or the appropriate banking ombudsman or regulatory authority in your country. We hope this video helps you navigate through the process of dealing with an incorrect or unauthorized deduction in your account. Remember, your financial safety is important and you have the right to dispute any errors. Always monitor your account closely and don't hesitate to get in touch with your bank if you notice anything unusual. Stay vigilant, stay safe.